लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ छबिली लाल लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ छबिली लाल लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ छबिली लाल लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ पग परमाण देसु काबियो तेरे समय कडलन देसु बबे जोड़ दे गुरने मुनि लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ छबिली लाल लिंबुड़ा झूले तारा बाग माँ
मारी सखीगा बना वीरा मार मार लेता जाजो मारी सखीगा बना वीरा मार मार लेता जाजो लेता जाजो निकाल देता जाजो तमे लेता जाजो निकाल देता जाजो मारी सखीगा बना वीरा मार मार लेता जाजो मारी सखी
Who would have thought a company that makes turntables would come forth with supplies for the front line?
पानी जाता रे बिल्ली में तारा बना रे तारे तिलक से ऊपर मेरा मारा नंदवाना रे पानी जाता रे बिल्ली में तारा बना रे तारे तिलक से ऊपर मेरा मारा नंदवाना रे बेड़ी देखा रे बेड़ी मारो सासरा रे ये मुकरी घरमा जा मेरा मारा नंदवाना रे लांबा राखीस रे बेड़ी मारो घूमता रे करुणे जईस मेरा मारा नंदवाना रे पानी जाता रे बेड़ी में तारा बना रे पारे तिलक से मेरा मारा नंदवाना रे
Very good. Excellent. Good. And not just you guys, but I was watching. Everybody was doing great. Excellent. I think that was probably 12, 13, 14 minutes maybe. Okay, good. Let's relax. Sit down in Malasan. So I see it covers so many even yoga poses too. Even some of the triangle poses too is a little tough doing in Garba pose. Okay, get up. Let's see after so much Garba, if we can do tree pose. This will be a little challenge, I guess, but nothing wrong on trying, on testing ourselves, right? This is the evaluation time to check our progress. Wow. Amazing. And I see Praful was doing Garba in Vrikshasana. And he was jumping. All right, let's switch to the other leg. I know our breathing rate is still a little bit higher than normal. That's why it is challenge to stay in this kind of balancing pose. Okay, it's already 9:03, so let's try to cover up the remaining things. We'll go back on stomach. Lay down on stomach. And first get into the Makarasana. Fold both the hands and just completely relax. Few normal natural breath. Expand both the hands forward, toes stretch out to the back wall, keeping legs together. Inhale, raise hands, head, chest up, and legs as well. Superman pose, flying pose. Okay, fold hands again back to Makarasana. Fold both the legs, grab the ankles. We'll do bow pose, Dhanurasana. Inhale, lift head, chest, chin up, and pull both the legs up over the floor. Same time, you can push knee also towards up while pulling them up. So both force will give you extra bend. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Okay, bring both the legs down. Keep both hands, palms top of each other, and the chest. Both legs together, toes stretch out to the back, forehead to the floor. Inhale, straighten both the hands completely. That will push the body, upper body up and relax the lower back or the lumbar area. Look up. Slowly get back to Makarasana. You can spread the legs apart, hold both hands, and relax the body. Okay, turn around, lay down on a back. Stretch out both the hands at the back of the head and both legs together. Push the toes towards the wall in front of you. Feel the pull stretch. Pretend they're like two different forces pulling us away from both the sides. Okay, release. Bring both hands back to the body, closed side of the body. And take few breath in Shavasana. Just lay down in Shavasana for a few seconds. Next, fold both the legs. Bring them closer, fold them together. Try to bring knees towards the head and head towards the knee. You can fold the lower hand, you can bend it from the elbows, and you can grab both the elbows from with the opposite side fingers. Exhale. See if you can bring the knees closer to the face. Pavan Muktasana. And then release. Keep the legs folded. Just bring the feet to the floor. Interlock the fingers and place them somewhere grab the calf muscles and roll side by side few times, massaging the back. You'll probably feel good after Garba. And then rock and roll. Massage the full spine. Okay. Lay down in Shavasana and close eyes and acknowledge the sensation of relaxation. Bring both legs up, 90-degree up. Place both palms facing down next to the body to support the body, but try to keep legs straight, knees straight. And in about 20 seconds, we will start lowering down the legs each by each down to the floor. Not right now, in about 10 seconds. Okay, start lowering, no crash landing, just inch by inch. I know the last few inches are critical. Okay, lay down in Shavasana. Breathe in and out, normal. Hands away from the body. Heels inward, toes outward. You're going to be starting Yoga Nidra in about a minute. Now keep both legs together. Raise both the legs about 30-degree above the floor and raise head, chest, chin. Bring both hands up and look the toenails through the fingernails. Keeping the legs straight and hands straight. This is boat pose. Naukasana. Slowly bring the legs back to the floor and relax in Shavasana. We'll do leg rotation next. We lift the one leg 60-degree over the floor, make 3 circles in clockwise, then 3 circles, big circles in anti-clockwise directions, and then switch the leg. Then lay down in Shavasana for a few seconds.